Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Bhangra Boogie emote for your Fortnite account. So let's start from open the browser, and right now we have to enter the official OnePlus website. So type here OnePlus, enter the OnePlus website, and right now we have to scroll down, tap right here, scroll down one more time, tap on the claim your emote, click on it one more time. And right now, as you can see, we have to log into the OnePlus account or just continue with the Google or in the Facebook. So let me just sing in. Okay. And right now we have the IMEI and the PCBA numbers. And of course, you have to get the OnePlus device. And in your OnePlus device you have to check both of these numbers. If you don't know how you can check it, just go for our YouTube channel and find the video, and the link will be probably in the description of this video. So I'm going to input the IMEI number right now, and then I'm going to input also the PCBA number. And right now all you have to do is just to click to claim your emote. And right now we get the notifications that this code been used, and of course I just did it, so right now you cannot take it. And that's it. That's how you can get it in a really easy way. Of course you have to get the OnePlus smartphone, or you can ask your friend or someone. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!